Hi, hello, good wishes to everyone. Welcome back to our social class. See, we are seeking the natural resources. Yes, see, this is your geography first lesson and this is your term 2, right? So, we are seeking what? Natural resources. What is natural resources? See, natural resources are nothing but all resources directly provided by the nature. Yes, so all resources, which are all the natural resources, what are all the natural resources? That all resources which is directly provided by the nature. Yes, we are getting directly by the nature. That is the natural resources. That is growth in nature and there is fertility in nature, right? So that is the natural resources. So what are the natural resources? See, that is, yes, water, land, soil, yes, so rain. See, these are all the natural resources. See, what are the natural resources we are having in this world? See, that is considered as what? Natural resources. Yes, so fertility in nature, growth in nature, right? Then, see, we are seeking that classification. Yes, so classification of natural resources. Already we have learnt about the classification, that is what are the classifications we are having? It is 5 classifications of natural resources. See, first one is on the basis of origin, next on the basis of development. This is your third classification, that is on the basis of renewability, right? On the basis of renewability. Then fourth one is on the basis of distribution, and the lowest classification on the basis of ownership, right? So now we are seeking the third classification. What? It is on the basis of renewability, right? Renewability, right? See, it can be classified into two divisions, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Yes, so on the basis of renewability this can be classified into two divisions. One is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Yes, so let's see the difference between both, right? See, what is renewable? See the word renew. Yes, renewable. So renewable, right? So it should be get renewed. Yes, whatever it is, it should be get renewed, right? So often it should be renewed, get renewed. Yes, but here non-renewable. So here that process is lacking. Yes, it should not be get renewed often. It is a limited source. Yes, so this is the limited one. Yes, but here this is not a limited one, this is the unlimited one. Often it will be, yes, get renewed, right? So that is the common difference between renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Let's see deeply about this. So what is renewable resources? See, resources that get renewed with the passage of time. Yes, so I told you already. See, this is renewable. Often it get renewed. There is no limit in this. Yes, so the resources can be renewed with the passage of time. Yes, so passage of the concerned time, the specific time. Yes, so often it get renewed. What are the resources involved in this? Often it get renewed with the there is passage of time or quantity, right? So whatever it is, it will get renewed often. But while comparing with this, non-renewable is not like that. Yes, it won't do like that. It won't act like that. See, resources that is very limited. Resources always, yes, that is act in a limited process, right? So resources get limited. Always it shows the limited resources, limited quantity, right? So that's the difference between both. See some example I have given here. See example of renewable resources. See, air, water, sunlight. Yes. See, air, you know that it's a wind. Yes. See, wind flowing, we are getting the wind. Without air, we can't able to live. Yes. So we are getting what? See, what is the process of air? See, we are getting oxygen inside our body and we are out giving the carbon dioxide. So this is the process, you know that? Yes. So we are intaking oxygen, that is O2, right? And we are out giving what? CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Yes. So this is the process of air. Yes, we are breathing. We are intaking the air. Yes. So this is the process of breathing. Yes. Then Water. So without water also we can't able to live. Yes. So water, H2O, right? Water means what? H2O. Then sunlight. Yes. So without the sunlight also we can't able to live. Yes. So we need light. We need light to live. We need water to live. We need air to live. Yes. So these three are the essential one to live. Yes, in this world. So sunlight, we are getting through the sunlight we are getting many positive things, right? So we are getting many positive things. That's hygienic thing, right? So medically, physically, we are getting positive things from sunlight. Yes. So these three are the renewable resources, right? See here, and these resources, that is we can misuse of such resources can be limit its quantity. See, while we are misusing these resources, yes, see these renewable resources, when we are misusing such resources, then the resources can be limit its quantity. Yes, because already it is an unlimited one. But when we are misusing this one, these resources, in meantime, it will get limit its quantity. It will stop its process. Yes, so it can provide only the limited quantity when we are misusing. Yes, so in such situation alone. Yes, not in all other situation, right? So that is the fact of this renewable resources. Let's talk about the non-renewable resources. So already I told you that resources can be limited always. Yes, it should not be go across the limited portion. Yes, so it always act within the limited portion. Then for example, coal, petroleum, natural gas and other minerals. See, coal, already you knew that. Coal means what? In Tamil we used to say that Nilakari. I told you already, yes, Nilakari, right? It is used for, that is generating the electricity, right? So for preparing, that is for preparing, producing the electricity, right? And coal, that is a fuel thing, right? And petroleum, yes, as well as the petroleum also a fuel one. It is used for, that is transport work, right? So diesel, petroleum, so these are all the fuel thing, right? Then natural gases. What are the natural gases? See, natural gases are the gas which is used to do heating purpose, cooking purpose, yes, and for generating the electricity also. Then other minerals. What is mean by mineral? See, mineral means in Tamil we used to say what? Thadukal. Yes. See, the substance. Yes, solid substance. Yes. See, for example, see gold, silver, iron, metal, right? And that is in a hygienic way, we can able to say that minerals such as, see, that is calcium, the chloride, yes, magnesium, potassium. So these are also considered in minerals. Yes. So calcium means we used to say it is present in milk and glucose. Yes, and proteins which we take means proteins rich in, that is groundnuts, nuts. Yes. So these things are minerals. Yes. So these are all the non-renewable resources. Yes. See, when this become exhausted after the use and after the time. Yes, because it is the unlimited. This is the limited one. While comparing with this renewable, this is the limited one. So it always gets exhausted. Exhausted means completed. Yes, it always gets ended. So after that portion, it automatically become exhausted. Yes, after the usage and after the time period, right? So NLC, see, this is also the non-renewable resources. NLC and wind energy are the non-renewable resources. Let's see about that. NLC means, already I told you that coal, that is mainly, that is familiar in Neyveli. It is always placed in Neyveli, which is in Kadalur district. Yes, so NLC means Neyveli Lignite Corporation Limited. Yes, so it is rich in producing what? Generating electricity. Yes, and wind energy, as well as wind energy. So both are used for generating electricity. For electricity purpose, these two are using. Yes. Then wind energy. About wind energy, see here. See, this is the example of potential resources. So wind energy is the best example of potential resources. Yes, the tendency, which has a tendency to produce the electricity. Yes. So the best tendency, the great tendency to produce the electricity. So that is the potential resources. Yes, and still see the place where the wind energy can be utilized. Yes, still unknown. Yes, or still unknown. We don't know about that. Yes, so wind energy is producing in many places. Yes, so the place where the wind energy can be utilized or still an unknown process. We don't know about the wind energy processing completely, entirely. Yes, so still we are unknown about that. Yes, so these are all the non-renewable resources. So the only the main difference between us, this is the this unlimited one and non-renewable resources are limited one. Yes, so keep it in your mind, students. Yes, so renewable resources always contains the unlimited resources, and here non-renewable resources contains a limited portion, limited quantity of resources, right? So that's all about the renewable and non-renewable resources. Yes, I hope you'll understand. Thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.